अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं, वारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहम्। कराम्बुजपाशबीजापूरं
कलुषविदूरं भूतधारम् अज्ञानि गुरुकुलदोषितबिम्बं
हंसध्वनिभूषितैरम्बं वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहम्।
My greetings to everyone on the New Year Day. Last year we had a pandemic and we had to curtail our social gatherings, meeting each other, and I'm sure that this year will be much better. It will bring new light, and I'm sure that the Niyaz also will scale greater heights this year. My very best to all of you for this year and the best wishes for the best work which you can do. Thank you.
I would like to say goodbye to year 2020. It was taken over by COVID, you all know. I'm sure we'll overcome from this during the new year. I wish everyone at Niyaz and their family members a very happy new year.
That misty streak moved. A line of effulgence appeared. It played with the caressing clouds for a while, and then revealed the brilliance of red, orange, yellow, and crimson from nowhere. Well, we ordinary people call it the sunrise. May the brilliance and the beauty of the sunrise be with all of you in the new year 2021. May the new year help us to build our immunity by sharing freely and selflessly. Share knowledge, share love, and be a collective and less an individual. Wish you a very, very happy new year 2021. Take care.
Namaste, I'm Nitin Nagaraj and I wish you a very happy new year. Namaste to one and all. 2020 was personally a very productive year amidst the COVID pandemic. I honed my painting skills, spent more time with my daughter and wrote Sanskrit poems aplenty. To sum up, 2020 was a time of poetry, color, peace and contemplation. Hoping 2021 too is similar. Happy 2021 to all of you. Let me end with a self-composed prayer to Durga. Simhendra Madhyama Suravinuta Vibhrama Vidya Mahatama Vihita Sakalagama Nirmulita Dhamma Nirupama Parakrama Sarvahava Kshama Saphalayatu Mamuma. Thank you.
Hi, 3 months of lockdown has been the most productive period for me in 2020. I have experimented with fiction and philosophy during this time. I have written the various imaginary dialogues with philosophers on the issues of the life, meaning, existence, death in this time. This enabled me to explore the literary dimension of my being and also see the writing as the way to connect with others. I think the extremely difficult situation enables us to think differently and also to see the value in the ordinary. 2020 has taught me to see the value and beauty of the ordinary. Thanks.
Hello everyone, I'm Siddharth, a PhD scholar at the Consciousness Studies program at NIAS. 2020 has been a challenging year for all of us. We had to deal with a lot of uncertainties and give up on many of our cherished activities. The year was all of these for me as well, but there were also a lot of nice things that I'd like to remember from it. Foremost, I submitted my PhD thesis, the fruits of my labor for the past 5 years, and moved back to my hometown, Chennai, after a gap of 7 years. So maybe there is a silver lining in every adversity, and that's what I'd like to take out of this year. Here's to a more social and a more cheerful 2021. Happy New Year, everybody.
Gleams that unravel world, whose margins fade forever and forevermore. How dull it is to pause, not to shine, to rust unburnished. We might think it is a little difficult to make a pause and not to shine. But this year has given us ample opportunity for silent reflections and contemplation. So next year, I hope, for all of us, it would be about turning our dreams into actions. Wishing you all a very, very happy New Year.
Namaskar everyone, I'm Niharika Sharma, a doctoral scholar at NIAS CSP team. The year 2020 has been a little tough and challenging for all of us, but this year also had its own positive traits. I learned to be more determined in my life, and also I learned to believe in myself each and every moment. So here's wishing you a happy new year. May this 2021 year bring you a lot of happiness, prosperity, safety and good health.
Dear friends, in this pandemic, even the word negative gives us more happiness. Let us welcome a year of new hopes and togetherness. Wish you a happy new year.
Out with the old, in with the new. I wish this year brings you happiness and cheer. I wish you all a very happy new year.
Last year added another chapter in our life experiences, prepared us for unpredictables, and give us opportunity to do self-observation and introspections. When change is inevitable, let this new year surprise us with new experiences and better life.
Hope takes many forms. In the song of a cuckoo searching for its mates, butterflies lingering on the flowers, leaves waiting for the breeze to dance, a blank page on my book waiting for the colors to spread. We can find hope amid uncertainty, conflicts, or loss. May this new year brings happiness, peace, and a lot of new inspiration on your life. Myself, Amrita, wishing you a great year ahead with lot of blissful moments to cherish.
Hi all, I'm Harikrishnan NB, Research Associate in Consciousness Studies program at National Institute of Advanced Studies. First of all, let me wish you all a happy, healthy and prosperous new year. The year 2020 was quite challenging for all of us in our own ways. We all have to go through the ups and downs of life. But one thing I realized during the year 2020 was the power of thought. Thoughts have the power to lift us up and also has the power to pull us down. So in the year 2021, let us all plant positive, loving and compassionate thoughts in our mind and be the change that we wish to see in the world. Once again, a happy new year to all of you. Thank you.
This past year has been very challenging for everyone. Here's hoping that the new year 2021 will bring much greater happiness, wellness and togetherness. Here's wishing everyone a very, very happy 2021.
Hello, these are my wishes for 2021. A portion of a poem from Tennyson. Ring out the grief that saps the mind, for those that here we see no more. Ring out the feud of rich and poor, ring in redress to all mankind. Ring out a slowly dying cause, and ancient forms of party strife, ring in the nobler modes of life with sweeter manners, purer laws. Thank you.
Greetings, everyone. This year had not been easy on any of us. But in tough times, I always remember something. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift, and that is why we call it the present. May this new year brings us all lots of happiness, lots of joy, everything that we deserve, and everything that we missed this year. I wish you all a blissful new year. Take care.
Tam tam tak jano tadani tadrumi tak tam tam hukum tarita jano tadapa mamadada nigari niri sadimi tarikita jam jam takita takukum tarinam taridad drikina tarijen madani maganam sasadrumi tatom dimita kita dada padada tare sadari jam magari sanida takata dingina tom dada nidada 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 nipamadada nirisa nisada nisada pamamadada nigari nirisa nida panida madada magama mapadada nida madada risa nida nidada madani manida sazavada nida magari sanida padada nida sadarida magari sanida nisani nida pama